Hello, my name's Jeremy.Orlando with Guaranty RV, and I'm here to show you the Wildwood Heritage Glen 369 BL. Follow me inside and we'll go over some few of the options. Well, in the Wildwood Heritage Glen, we do have a few special features that I'd like to point out. First of all, the height of the slides is fantastic for me. I got to reach all the way almost full up, but I'm only 5'6". Full residential fridge. It is a Dometic refrigerator, which I think is fantastic. But you've got the double door freezer and double door refrigerator. It's a great option for the Wildwood Heritage Glen. Wonderful seating in this. This is a 369 bunk loft model, so it does have lots of sleeping room. If you follow me into the little spare room, you can see what I'm talking about. It has the couch along the bottom for the kids to be able to sit, maybe play their games, do their homework, and that, but it's also got its own little closet space for them. So the kids have their own specific space as a second bedroom. Also, right up the stairs, it's got a full loft bed, which is a great area for maybe the extra child or storage. I mean, just a lot of space up there, which really adds for that extended stay luxury, if you will. Beautiful fireplace, and again, we have a garden sink in here, which is wonderful when you're actually out camping and doing that. The kitchen is set up great for that chef-style cooking. 3-burner cooktop Furion stove, double drawer. It's beautiful. You've also got the reclining sofa that allows for the kids to have an additional place to sleep, a booth dinette, and reclining chairs in front of the TV. So this unit is really set up for that extended stay for the whole family. Beautiful design, got coat racks all over the place. It's just got all the little finishes that everyone really wants to see in their new RV. Thank you guys for checking out the Wildwood Heritage Glen with me. My name is Jeremy.Orlando. My email is Jeremy.Orlando@Guaranty.com, and my direct line, you can contact me, is at 541-914-3693.